Less cravings and less belly fat, try this one-day low-sugar meal guide. When your meals are high in sugar, your blood sugar spikes and crashes. So this will lead to constant hunger, cravings, more fat storage, especially sa belly. So ang goal natin is to keep your blood sugar stable. So here's a simple one-day guide. Breakfast, protein shake or eggs, plus kung meron kang carbs, make it whole food. For lunch, make sure kalahati ng plato mo ay vegetable and palm size ang protein. Kung meron kang rice, maximum 1 cup. Balance is key. Snack natin, pwedeng protein ulit like nuts, yogurt, fruit, or another protein shake. Avoid sugary snacks or pastry. And for dinner, pwedeng light but balance. Protein and veggies, pwedeng wala ng carbohydrates. Sa drinks naman, stick to water or tea na walang sugar or black coffee. Or skip yung mga sugary drinks. So simple, balance, sustainable.